Hi, just touching base with you guys. Got just a couple things that you need to look at before tomorrow. You're going to take out your reference table. So get your reference table out and I'll show you what you need to know. So I'm on table O of your reference tables. It's on page 7 of your reference tables. And I want you to pay close attention to the beta particle, the neutron, and the proton information. Okay? Now, the symbols here show you two numbers. Remember isotopes. The top number still represents mass. So the proton, you'll notice the top number represents mass. And mass for a proton is just 1. If you look at the neutron, top number represents mass, and the mass for a neutron is 1. And then notice the beta particle is also known as the electron. So this is also known as the electron. Notice its mass. It's virtually 0. The bottom number is telling you how much charge it has. So you guys know electrons, and you might already know what type of charge it has. Just notice that the charge that the electron has is -1. The charge that the neutron has is 0, and the charge that the proton has is 1. But of course we always call it a +1. So that's one thing you need to know on reference table O. Just review that the electron has 0 mass and a -1 charge. Neutron has 1 mass, 0 charge, and the proton has 1 mass and 1 plus charge. Next, you're going to need to turn to the periodic table of elements in your reference tables. That's on page 9. And take a look at the chart where there's a bold-faced line making a staircase down your reference table. That bold-faced line divides the reference table into two sides. The side to the left, or 3/4 of the table, is what is made up of metals. So all the metals are on the left side of that staircase. What we call everything on the right side of the staircase are non-metals. So those are your non-metals. You're going to need to know that. And then this last column here, we're going to have to label those as well. We're going to call those the noble gases. Okay? And what you're going to need to know for this objective is you're going to have to pay attention to the last number on the end of the electron configuration for each of your noble gases. Take a close look at those numbers, and then take a close look at the numbers at the top right of your nonmetals, and then the top right of all of your metals. Pay close attention to the top number going down groups, and the top number here. Okay, this is group 1 and group 2. And bring me any questions that you have tomorrow in class. We'll discuss what this is all about.